Hey, my name is Roy Choi. I'm an entrepreneur, restaurateur, chef, taco vendor. Found myself at the intersection of technology and food over a decade ago. And right now, the city is my office. I'm on my way. And so I run everything, my whole life off of my phone and my watch. And this new Galaxy Watch Active 2 is something that keeps me grounded and focused and really helps me run my day. What I love is the fact that it tracks my health. You know, I really care about my health. And so I walk like 5-6 miles a day. It bumps my wrist and says, you can do it, you know, talks to me, you know. When you don't have many friends, then your watch talks to you, like, oh, it's pretty cool. Galaxy Watch Active 2's best design is the fact that it's simple, slim, and powerful, just like me. Wearing this watch since the first edition. What's happened is they've slimmed everything down. They've made the band a lot more interchangeable. I can move from like nighttime to work time to fancy to everyday. Again, they got rid of the bezel. Now the bezel is all sensory. You can change the watch face and customize it to your own. So, I mean, it just keeps getting better every single rendition. I run 5 businesses off my watch and my phone. Yeah, I just don't need anything else. And then I don't try to flex like, you know, with this huge office with all this stuff. Just keep it real tight, and then everything else, you use that time for creativity.